Student, today we are live for this lecture. Okay, so in this lesson of natural uh, resources, land is also one of the natural resource. This land has a different types, that is uh, stones, soil, big rocks. Okay, land is not very much flat everywhere, but it go upward, downward with rock, uh, hill. Some others are flat. So all the terrestrial animals, including man, live on this land. Okay, this land has a different form, that is mountain, hill, hill rock, plain, fertile land, dry land. Okay, so plants and animals also live on this land of forest, that grow on this land. The human being get crude oil and natural gas from the earth. This is an important source of um, fire energy. Okay, here is the mixture in the bottle we saw as we discuss about the mixture of a soil, that is a big rock, small rock, sand, soil, lead and dry leaves. Okay, these are the layers of the earth through which this land or a soil develop a humus. Here is the picture of that humus. Okay, below that humus is a soil, immature soil. Layer of soil, some rocks, and after that bedrocks are there. Okay, these are the different forms of land. So in previous discussion we discussed about the soil formation. The soil formation is the natural process. The rocks are rocks or stones are cut due to abiotic factor of weathering, due to heat, cold, and the water of the sun, wind, and rain respectively. The bedrock breaks down into pieces. These pieces also break down into soil. The microbes, earthworm, insect are found among them. Rodent and mice, rats also found here. The root of trees growing on the land also help for weathering of rock. The process of soil formation is slow and continuous. It takes about 1,000 years of 2.5 centimeters thick layer of mature soil to form. It is a huge time being required to form a soil from 2.5 centimeter thick layer. So this soil can get destroyed in a short period due to flood, storm and human activities, human mining. That is why it is necessary to conserve soil. To prevent erosion of the land, the best remedy for this is to increase a green cover of land. Erosion of land is reduced if grass, trees and bushes are grown on it. So the soil from various places in our surrounding, or a yard, hill, garden, river bank, field, rock ground, has different types in color, texture and size of particles. The forest land got buried underground due to the great upheaval took place. The living thing uses land, water and air which is available on the earth, and so does man. However, the portion of these resources are actually different as compared to each other. Okay, the land has a 29%, while the potable water or a fresh water is only 0.3% on the earth. So we have a very less amount of water for a drinking purpose for human being or living things. Oxygen is available in atmosphere is 21%, but this oxygen is generated through the forest. So the conserving the forest is very essential for the survival of a human species. So it is necessary for the human being to protect the natural resources, that is air, land and soil, for survival of mankind. We also use the term of a crude oil. What is crude oil or a fossil fuel? The forest on land got buried underground due to a great upheavals that took place on the earth years ago. The process of formation fossils fuel from the remains of living things took place underground. We get fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin and other useful material like tar and wax from this fossil fuel or a crude oil. It is this crude oil is produced by a heavy pressure of land on that buried. So it releases crude oil and it is useful for the mankind. And we extract after mining this crude oil. The crude oil is the base substance for the different products. We get that different products from this crude oil, that is paraffin, petrol, diesel, wax, etc. So this is also one useful source of natural resources. Okay. The India's meteorological department, that is IMD, was established in 1875 for studying the weather of Indian subcontinent. So it is situated in Pune. Okay. Students, now we will stop here. In next lecture we will start the new lesson. the homework for you that complete this exercise and send me on my personal number. Okay, if you found any difficulty, write that difficulty and message me.